Okay, now we have the Hubsan Mini SE. Old Faithful, I like to call it. Yeah, now, what's the current version on this? Let's have a look. 1.1.8. Now, did it have the same update to the PIDs? Yes, it did. So 1.1.8 is the newest version. And again, Hubsan says it increases or improves the stability of the gimbal by 50%. The last update increased the stability of the gimbal by 70%. So, I don't know. The only thing that's changed is the yaw PIDs under P and I. Okay? It went from, I'll have to get the numbers here. There we go. It went from 1.5 under the yaw in the P section to 5, and it went to 0.1 instead of 0.2 in the I. So that's the difference. Anyway, we're going to look at this full auto, waiting for satellites. Okay, everything is zeroed out. And we're going to go to 1080p again and 30. Okay, and that's about it. So we're just waiting for some more satellites. We have 5. And of the 3 Hubsans, I would say, for whatever reason, the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro acquires satellites the fastest. Then the Hubsan Mini and the Hubsan Zino Mini SE are quite a ways behind. And I think by far the Hubsan Zino Mini SE is the slowest. Okay? But once you've acquired them, if you land, change a battery, want to go again, it acquires them very fast. Okay? But the initial acquisition is fairly slow. So, I don't know if you've watched the last video that was on the Hubsan Mini. I had a little bit of an accident into a brick wall and everything went flying. The cameras went flying, the controller and the phone went flying, cables were ripped out. I scratched up my elbow, I damaged the controller corner, the phone, the screen fell off it, all kinds of things happened. But it didn't move. The Hubsan Mini never moved and nothing was damaged. So, lucky, I guess. Okay, here we go. We've got it. Awesome. Okay, let's get it up in the air. There we go. And it's there. And we're going to try the same stupid thing again, but I'm going to watch where I'm going this time. Here we go. And we're coming in close, and we're here. So this is the Hubsan Zino Mini SE. And I don't know if you have any history with Hubsan. I do. I go back to the first GPS drones, the 502E and the 216A. Oh my God, that thing was all over. And then the original Zino. Oh my God, up and down, and would wander all over the place. Well, this is where I fell last time, so I'm gonna kind of be careful where I'm backing up here this time. There we go. Okay, there we go. So let's get it moved out of the way here so I can see. There we go. And up. Okay, how high are we? We're 27. Okay, 35. Oh, we gotta go higher. So this is a 1/2.6 camera. A little higher. I think the rest of them are around there. Okay, bring that camera down a bit. There we go. A little more. Okay, let's go there. And what we're going to do, we're going to start the video, and we're going to look at the video here. It's in 1080p. I like 1080p. I mean, you know, 2.7 in a pinch if I really want to get some good details and it's really important, yes. Most of the stuff 1080p, it's fantastic normally, and it's a lot easier to work with. So, start that video. Let's go out towards that lake a little bit and we'll do some yawing left and right. So we're going to try and stick around 6 or so. How's that yaw? Okay, I have not touched anything as far as adjusting yaws or pitches or anything. It's all stock. Okay, go to the right, go to the left. Okay. And go to the right. And there is no HDR in here. Okay, and we'll stop that there. Stop that video. And if you go in here, you'll see there's H-log. If I change to H-log, watch it gray out on me. A little bit. It's like you've cooled it down a bit, but nothing great. Battery is low. Yeah, okay, 40%. So, let's start that video again and return to home. And this is the original battery that's on the Hubsan Zino Mini SE. Let's stop that beeping. Okay, the original battery, and it's been through a few things. We're taking it in and out. You have to really be careful on all these Hubsan drones. If you even wiggle the battery a little bit to try and get it out, because it is jammed in there, even if you know, a few times, on mine it was about 40 or 50 times of taking it in and out, the casing actually cracked around the hinges, and then when I pulled, basically the whole thing came apart. So just be careful, be very careful. I'm almost thinking of, there we go, that was close, in the trees. I'm almost thinking of putting a little bit of a lubricant or some kind of a film on the battery casing, something to make it slide in and out better, because it's really tight. But anyway, that's another story. Here we are, and we'll stop that video. And yeah, this is it is what it is. Let's see what all the 1080p's look like, and go back to my last two. So the first one I posted up was the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro, and then I went with the Hubsan Mini, and then I went with this one. Okay, so I'll put tags up here. This first one will be for the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro that had the new update 1.4.8. Okay, then I'll put this other post up here that shows you the Hubsan Mini with its new update, the 1.03? Yeah, 1.03. Okay, let's bring it down. We're getting down to 33% in the battery. It's done really well. You know, it's old faithful. I mean, again, I'll put another clip up here of when I took this on an incredible waypoint journey that blew my mind. Okay, and what I want to do is take the Hubsan Mini with that better camera and do the same thing. But I'll put that clip up here too. So, Hubsan Zino Mini SE. For my money, my value, my thoughts on that, why spend money on other stuff? I mean, this is absolutely fantastic. It's a great little drone. Okay, I'll bring it in for a landing. Hand underneath, and down with the stick, and it comes down, and you grab it, and you're done. That's it. So there you have it, the Hubsan Zino Mini SE update version 1.1.8. I really don't see much difference. I don't think there is any difference. It's always been a great flyer. It's always had really good horizon. It's giving me great images, great pictures. I've got no ifs, ands, or buts about it. It is by far the best thing that Hubsan's ever made. So I still maintain it's going to be the sleeper of 2022 for the price, like a sub $350 drone. You just can't beat it. Anyway, till next time, get out there, enjoy the sun, just watch where you're going. Okay? Bye now.